Okay, we're back at it. I got the top painted, all repaired. The crack on this side is all fixed, and the other side also. Now we're about to move on to the side steps, and these are it. This one still has this side installed because of the insurance company didn't take off this side. There's nothing wrong with this side. So I already looked under it, looked what tools I need, and I started taking it apart. Okay, so I got the side steps installed. I forgot to show you guys the top, how I got it to work. It was a lot of wiring. Well, the thing is, I had to solder the motors together to work together, and I ran a wire through the harnesses, and then I ran it all the way to the front. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if we can get it a little brighter. That plug right there. So made it look like OEM. So if someone wants to take off the top, it's easy to do. Just unplug it and unbolt it. And I'll show you guys how it works. It's not exactly like the one touch system, but it's pretty close. I put on this one right here. Still gotta hold it the entire way. So this is to open. And as soon as you let go, it stops. And same thing to close. Alright, so now I'm just gonna get this cleaned up, move this Jeep and the Wrangler Unlimited off there, make room for the new decals we got going on. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. And it should be ready to go. Okay, so I got these sides, this side's decals on. It's hard to see. Let me grab a light. They're reflective black. That's why we did them in black. So they just shine when any light hits them. We got the Chicago skyline with the Air Jordan signature. That's the Bulls logo down there to match the theme we got going on. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other side real quick. Now I'm gonna move on to the hood vents and just look around, make sure I didn't miss anything. Okay, I think we're all set. I'm just gonna check over everything again. Make sure everything works. All the wiring and everything. I'm gonna open up the top all the way. Okay, that's it. Open all the way. Check the front lights. That's the button I made for the lights. And this is the controller. It's all there's also an app. It's a controller for the underglow. Something you guys didn't notice, I dropped the bumper about an inch right here. I made the holes bigger and it went down about an inch just to clear the big wheel that's going back here. Let me run through the lights for the underglow. Those are different modes. Okay, I know the car needs alignment. About to drive it, just make sure there's nothing else wrong with it. Make sure these wheels don't rub anywhere. It should be ready to go.